Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. What are your thoughts?
Interesting choices. Both are bean to cup, which is great. The Philips is going for $799, while the De'Longhi seems to be around $500 to $550 depending on the seller. Big price difference right off the bat.
Yeah, definitely. Is the Philips worth the extra cash? What does it offer that the De'Longhi doesn't?
Well, the Philips boasts 12 different coffee options at the touch of a button, including latte macchiato. It also has this LatteGo system for milk frothing, which they say is super easy to clean in like 15 seconds. The De'Longhi only has 6 one-touch recipes.
12 options versus 6. That's a significant difference. What about the grinder? I hear that's important.
Both have built-in burr grinders, which is essential for fresh coffee. The Philips has ceramic grinders that they claim are good for 20,000 cups. The De'Longhi has a conical burr grinder with 13 settings, but doesn't specify the material or lifespan. So Philips is emphasizing longevity.
Okay, good to know. And what about customization? Can I tweak the settings to get my perfect cup?
The Philips has a coffee customizer where you can adjust aroma, volume, and even add an extra shot. Plus, it has 12 grinder settings. The De'Longhi mentions needing to reprogram the grind size and amount when you adjust it, and has 13 grind settings. So both seem pretty customizable, but the Philips highlights ease of use a bit more.
What about cleaning? I hate cleaning coffee machines.
The Philips brags about the LatteGo system being super easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts. The De'Longhi also has removable and dishwasher-safe parts, so cleaning shouldn't be a huge issue with either.
Okay, so the Philips has more drink options, potentially longer-lasting grinders, and maybe a slightly easier milk frothing system. But the De'Longhi is significantly cheaper.
Exactly. The De'Longhi is more budget-friendly. Also, the De'Longhi is slightly heavier, at 20.8 pounds versus Philips' 18.58 pounds. So, if you are looking for a lighter machine, the Philips might be better.
Tough decision. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.